Omnilux Countour Face is the only LED mask that is backed by Omnilux science and research. Omnilux has over 40 clinical studies and nearly 20 years of trusted experience. Setting the Countour Face aside for the moment, locate the charger and the plug adapter for your location. The battery pack has 2 ports. Identify and attach the plug to the correct port. A fully charged battery will give you approximately 14 10-minute treatments. Cleanse and tone your skin with your professionally recommended cleanser and toner. The optional hydrogel face mask may be used with or without the LED. The hydrogel face mask has 2 pieces to it. Carefully remove both from the packaging. Separate the 2 pieces and start with the piece intended for the upper half of the face. The hydrogel mask is between 2 protective sheets. Remove the more sturdy of the sheets using the more malleable piece to place the hydrogel mask. Once positioned, remove the final protective piece. Repeat these steps to get the lower portion of the hydrogel face mask in place. The hydrogel mask is specially formulated to maximize light penetration during light therapy treatments. Hydrogel mask enhances your light therapy experience and results. The hydrogel mask cools, firms, hydrates, and nourishes your skin and is the perfect complement to your Omnilux Countour Face treatment. The flexible design of the Countour Face makes it easy to adjust to your comfort level. Use the Velcro straps to attach it behind your head. Connect the USB plug to the Countour's control and battery pack. Hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds and the mask will illuminate. It has on average 32% more LED lights than competing brands and has a stronger energy output. The mask will automatically turn off after the 10-minute treatment time, which is all that is required 3 times a week. There are no side effects, no pain, and no downtime. The Countour conforms to the photobiological eye safety standard, therefore no eye protection is needed. Because of all the wonderful benefits from the hydrogel mask, be sure to massage in the excess product. You can take this opportunity to apply your favorite eye gel and finish with a moisturizer of choice. Cleared by the FDA for medical indications, the treatment of fine lines and wrinkles, Omnilux Countour Face utilizes both red and infrared wavelengths of light, producing maximum results for which Omnilux is known and valued worldwide.